Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach dip from Cheddars. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, thawed and squeezed dry. Also, have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise ready. Don't forget 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of chopped water chestnuts, and a dash of hot sauce for a little kick. Next, let's prepare the spinach. Ensure your 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach are fully thawed. Once thawed, place the spinach into a clean kitchen towel or several layers of cheesecloth. Firmly squeeze out all the excess water. This step is very important to prevent your dip from becoming watery, ensuring a rich and creamy consistency that everyone will love. Now it's time to combine everything. In a large mixing bowl, add the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Stir these together until smooth. Then, incorporate the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, the 1/4 cup of chopped water chestnuts, and your prepared dry spinach. Add a dash of hot sauce and mix until all ingredients are perfectly blended. Finally, let's get this delicious dip ready to serve. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer the mixed spinach dip into an oven-safe baking dish. Bake it for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the dip is bubbly around the edges and slightly golden on top. Serve your warm, creamy spinach dip immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, crackers, or crusty bread for a delightful appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.